So welcome to the Watercolor 3 Experimental Abstract and Semi-Abstract class. Um, it was based on Sterling Edwards' tutorial, pretty close to the same type of composition, um, and that was a good prompt. Um, but anyway, this is this is what it's all about. This is the one you want to keep. You can't go wrong. And you'll see at the end of the video, I start to create a lot more texture, which helped to carry this. The composition is number one, the texture is number two in terms of what's happening here. The brush strokes are number three, but the easiest way to learn abstract is going to be with construction, good, strong composition by the rules. So I've just roughed out a couple of quick charcoal sketches here to deal with composition and values. And if you go by the rule of thirds, you got a third, a third, a third, a third, and anywhere those lines touch is a good place to put your center of focus. Okay, so this is my work table. You can see my my palette here. I want it to be in the picture. There's my drawing board. There's some more paints, water buckets over here, and there's lots of brushes here. Inks there, more brushes there, computer there, just stuff, more brushes, more brushes, more brushes, more brushes. Okay, so this was the first crack at that prompt from the first assignment off of the southwest corner of the Rotten Wood. It's terrible, but I did learn some things, and well, the main thing was is that I did have my center of attention right here. So I got my basic sketch worked out here. Hopefully you can see it. This is the center of attention right here. This is probably not good. Needs to deal with that. Anyway, okay, so we're off. First thing we do is we block in the areas outside of the center of interest. And I'm going to take some burnt umber and yellow ochre for this particular one. And I'm using a fairly wet no. The paper is very thirsty. I don't mind the unevenness of it. Then we have another area here that I want to echo that color. I don't know if I've ever discussed echoing with you. And I'm going to rinse off my brush and come back in and soften this edge here. try a little sgraffito here. I'm dipping my card in the water, trying to pick up some paint. This paint's pretty hard. Interesting. I'm happy with that up there. Not really sure why I can't get it down here. I might be able to. Clean this up a little bit. That's a little mess. Trying to work on the center of attention now. And, well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I like this in here, what I'm seeing. The diffused blue, white, very light. And I'm glad I softened that. I don't know, I'm not happy with any of this. So I'm just going to play with it. You know, when you got something that's not working, or you think isn't working, just go with it. Continue. That's all. All I can say. So out of desperation here, I'm going to splatter and try and create some movement up. I'm going to do it the wrong way, you see. I'm going to tap it like this. Well, Maybe I'll do it with a thicker brush. Yeah, there we go. It's got to be kind of wet. Let's put it this way. At this point, you can't ruin it. I'm going with it. I'll leave it. Yeah. Okay, so not happy with it, but you know what? Okay, so a mat, well, it helps, definitely. And the question is, the composition's not bad. Actually pretty good. I mean, it could pass for abstract for certain. It's totally non-representational abstract. Now you can see that I had too much tape on it. This mat here is $5. Double mat, beveled, at Hobby Lobby. They have a counter there, a little stand with some mats already cut. They're not museum quality, which shouldn't matter to you at this point in your life. There are shows that will only accept museums when they have shows or contests, juried exhibitions. So overall, it's okay. I don't care for this area down here as much as I'd like to. But there's certainly a lot of activity and busyness. The question is do you focus on the center of attention, probably from about here on up. And that's going to be because of the contrast and the lightness. This is the lightest part of the whole painting. And it's up against some pretty dark stuff here. The reds, are okay. The yellow, burnt sienna. I like the blue in here. So I think that this is okay. I'm going to have you guys in class critique it. And onward and upward.